Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is a pitch for AuroraTech. We'll talk about AuroraTech. My name is Carlos Agudelo. I'm director and founder of AuroraTech, and we are a group of committed professionals committed to serving the community. Our why is to help build a better world using the scientific knowledge. The world is not what we inherit from our parents. It is what we borrow from our children. And it is our duty to leave them a better world than the one we received. Our what? We bring advanced technologies to the industry, small and medium sized business and entrepreneurs, and we foster entrepreneurship. If you want to know our how, please subscribe to our newsletters. This is our entrepreneurs team. First is Carlos Jimenez. He is an specialist in control and instrumentation. He has helped us build some tools for alarm management, part of our portfolio for industry. Also, there is Alvaro Diaz. Alvaro Diaz is our cybersecurity specialist, and he is helping us to design some platforms we are going to develop, boosting economy and as a consortium. And then it's me, Carlos Agudelo. I'm director and founder of AuroraTech, and I'm leading the team. Our portfolio is designed to narrow the gaps between the sustainable development goals and the actual situation in the world. One of the purposes of our portfolio for industry is to increase process safety. The process safety has to do with incidents that have very low probability of occurrence, but a high impact on the people, the environment, and the enterprises. We all remember Bhopal in India, which is an incident that occurred because of a leak of methyl isocyanate occurring in a pesticide factory owned by American company Union Carbide in 1984, and it led the death of more than 8,000 people in the first week. Our portfolio for industry also contains other management services, which means application of the ISA 18.2 standard, international standard, also methodologies, including philosophy of other management, training for operators and engineers, and alarm rationalization and documentation workshops. There is also early fault detection and diagnosis inside our portfolio for industry, which is the use of advanced algorithms to early detect and diagnose faults that occur in industrial processes. We hear about challenges imposed by climate change. There are basically three areas in which we concentrate: energy efficiency, and we care about energy efficiency through our automatic process control services like control tuning, design, and review of advanced regulatory control strategies, diagnosis of industrial process alarm systems, and as I told you, we are developing Asia Consortium, a new platform on the metaverse. We also care about adaptation to climate change using fault detection and diagnosis. We have experience in applications for industry environments to early warning system for climate events. And we also care about development and use of clean energies, using optimization of the generation of blue hydrogen and CO2 capture, using carbon footprint of the processes and distribution of green hydrogen to final consumers, using fall detection and diagnosis. We are also designing our new platform for entrepreneurs, boosting economy, which will work in three scenarios. Scenario one is the agro fields. Scenario two is the cities, in which we work with small tenders, and scenario three it's a new kind of social entrepreneurship that we plan to create. Well, here is our contact data, our email. We have a landing page for our newsletters and for our virtual courses too. Our Facebook, our fan page, our blog, LinkedIn pages, and WhatsApp. Thank you very much.